My name is Rainbow. I work at the lumber factory making high-tech axes. You could say I'm on the cutting edge of technology. My family left me. Please, I need a home. All I do is work here, then go home and eat SpaghettiOs. Hi, my name is Rainbow. Have you ever heard of Good Cop, Bad Cop? Well, here we play good cop and badass cop. I am good. Bad cop. Badass cop. They don't use me for missions much, so all I do is sit around eating SpaghettiOs. I love my job.
Yeah, doggies. Hi, I'm Honey, and I left camp, and I work at the Secret Agent Society. Marshmallow, stop sniffing my butt!
Man, I really need to work off them SpaghettiOs. I've been eating them all day, even though my job's great. I eat too many SpaghettiOs.
Hey, could I try some SpaghettiOs?
No! No, I'm not gonna sniff your butt.
Hey, my
Your butt smells good. I think you were eating some of your SpaghettiOs with your butt.
Hey, I sniff everyone, but mine's marshmallow, and I throw pillows.
Man, it's such a boring day.
I wish I could have SpaghettiOs. That would be even exciting.
Too bad. I lost my SpaghettiO dealer.
You mini pants. Hey, mine's marshmallow, and I just throw pillows and have a pillow fight.
Well, that doesn't sound boring at all. You should eat SpaghettiOs. You don't pass the time. Ever since my wife left me.
Now I'm just sniffing people's butts. Yeah, doggies. I'm pasta.
Hello, my name is Dr. Dog. I'm a small dog, but I'm big on evil. Yeah, pet me, that's nice. Yeah, go ahead and scratch me belly. I've got humans working for me to scratch me belly. They are my henchmen, and they are just as evil as I am. Show me how evil you are, henchman. That's evil. Well, we're sitting around here, and we're thinking we could pull off all the greatest crime jobs if it weren't for those interfering secret agent guinea pigs. So now we're going to trap the guinea pigs in our tent cell. First thing we're going to do is we're going to sound like children in distress, and that will get the guinea pigs to come and rescue us. Henchmen, try to sound like children in distress calling for help. Good.
There are children in danger. We need to go save them. Guinea pigs away!
Gee, doggies, I need to do that too. Hey, I'm Martha, and I need to go get them with my marshmallow powers. Come on.
All right, we're here inside this tent. Get a wide view of the tent. This is the tent where we'll lure them. We'll lure the guinea pigs. Evil henchmen, make more sounds like children in trouble.
Help!
Very convincing. You sound just like a child. I think I see them coming.
So nice and friendly. Where have you been? Boy, you're the nicest dog. Wow.
Well, it's time to go. Come on.
God.
Come on.
Well, see you later.
See ya.
Oh no! That dog stole my wallet!
Nice work, boss.
Oi, I think so too. Oh, he was a sucker.
Nice work, boss.
Thanks.
Hey, guard, you wanna come see popcorn? Popcorn? Sure. What the heck? Well, I guess that's just a bowl of popcorn. Time for a big escape! Hey, guy, I want to show you something.
You've escaped. Get off, honey.
Oi, we've all been busted now by the guinea pigs.
We defeated him!
Oh, they're farting all over me. Oh, the disgusting gases.